Good day, cadets. I am Ajay Singh Rathore. I am nobody to get you suggested what have you to do in your life, and I am nobody to get you suggested, get you guided that what have you to do in your life. It's your life, up to you. What have you to choose in your life? It's up to you. But I just want to share some views. I just want to share some abstract views with you. I have observed during my live session. It must have to be shared with you. Please do consider it. First thing is that I have I have observed. I would like to register for myself by pointing out this that. So please get it considered. First thing is that what is the meaning of rare meaning of abstract meaning of communication skill? Communication skills. As far as I am concerned, this is the meaning is that communication is skilled. Communication is skills. Communication is skilled. It means when you are going to kill the communication in favor of you, then it must be assumed by yourself that you have become a great communicator. Till that not. If you are able to express yourself, not expand, express yourself in great manner, as it is, after having got completed by you, your complainant, your partner doesn't have any type of queries, questions, then it can be said that you have become master of communication. Master in communication. You have become a great communicator. Second thing is that we have heard many times that practice makes perfect. But as far as I have observed, I don't consider it. Because by practicing, nobody can be perfect. By practicing, just we become better than before, nothing else. As we practice, we become better than before, nothing else. We don't have to be in this illusion, or we don't have to be with this illusion that practice makes perfect. Nobody can perfect by practicing. We are just a creation. Only the creator of this world is perfect. The God is perfect. We are just a creation. All creation has manufacturing defect. We all have manufacturing defect. If you are going to be assumed for, if you are going to be assumed for ourselves that we are going to be perfect by practicing, then it is bad. We have to something add in positive manner. So if you want to get us achieved, if you want to get us progressed in our life, and if you want to get us succeeded in our life, then we have to practice more and more and more and more and more, because life is a journey, not a destination. We have to be move on. We have to be carry on in path of on the path of life, on the path of career, on the path of our destination. So we do efforts, lot of efforts. We have to invest in ourselves. We have to create our skills. We have to develop our skills, inner skills. I'm talking about the inner skills, not about the surroundings. Okay, just you have to articulate it. Just you have to be articulated. Just you have to articulate something great in you. Manifestation of your views, expressions must be there. And third thing is that we have heard many times that be don't be negative, be positive. Being negative, it can be go against you. But as far as I'm concerned, I would like to be registered for myself by pointing out this that if you want to get succeed in our life, if you want to get us achieved in our life, then we have to be negative, but in positive manner. We have to be negative, but to get positive something in our life. Because I think that being negative, we are going to be more analytical, more aware towards our dream, towards our destination, towards our views, towards our ideas, towards our concepts. So it is very much needed that we have to be negative to get positive. Every step of life, we have only two options. Either we have to excuse or we have to execute. We have to excuse whole the life to not get succeeded in life, or we have to execute our plan in well manner, in proper manner, in adequate manner. If we have done this, then definitely we have to assume for ourselves that we are going to get achieve something great in our life. Execution must be proper. Other thing is that claim or blame. Again, you have two options. You just have to claim your right, or you have to blame others to not to get something great in your life. Just you have to blame others. That others are responsible for it. I am not. No, you don't have to blame others. Just have to claim your right by your efforts, by your skills, by your power, by your strength. Decide or surrender. Again, two options are here. You have to decide or you have to surrender before the circumstances. You have to decide. You have to focus on that your aim. That what have you to do in your life. Just you have to focus. You have to be self-motivated, determined, dedicated, committed, devoted towards your goal. Nobody can prevent you to do this. You have to be focused. You have to decide. You have to decide, or you have to surrender. No, you don't have to surrender. Cheer or jeer, it's up to you. Cheer or jeer, it's up to you. And finally, I would like to state something great that be an ideal for your ideal. Be an ideal for your ideal, or feel with zeal, but deal with dignity. Feel with zeal, but deal with dignity. Think about the link. Jaho.